Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to restart your laptop or PC to get advanced startup menu or starting from a disk or USB drive. It is very simple. Just to open your start menu, then go to settings. From the settings, get Windows Update from the left side, bottom of the page. Okay, then you can go to update history, go there, and you can see option of recovery. Open that, then you can see options here under the recovery options. Advanced startup, restart your device to change startup settings including starting from a disk or USB drive. Then click here. You need to restart your uh, laptop from a disk. Insert a disk or connect to USB drive, then insert the disk, or you can connect to the USB drive, then click here to restart. Then your device will be restarted with advanced startup options. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my reply size video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.